Oh. Keep me clean. Let's see it.
Can I?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Surprise! Hi guys, so it's been a while since we made a video. We've just arrived at the end of tenancy clean in Edgware. You can see all of the radiators. Oh, can you see down there? Absolutely filthy. Yeah. And then we're going to go through to the toilet, which is just underneath the stairs. Before that you get to a sink. So this is the sink. So you can see, not a nice sight really, to be fair. But this is what we do, this is what we enjoy. Hey! Oh my goodness, we think we've got a lot of keys, look at that. There's a lot of keys there. So this is the kitchen. Oven. It's gonna need a professional oven clean. The girls are excited. Are you excited? Are you excited? Oh. Keep me clean. Let's see it.
Can I?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
So with the mould in the in the silicone, there's not a magical potion for it as of yet. So if anybody knows of anything that gets mould out of silicone, please drop me a message, because it's the only pain of our lives. Everything else we can clean. There's no light in here, but we've got a, oh, here we go. Let there be light, he said. Through here, we've got a bathroom. So bathroom, we've got, yeah, so pretty black toilet. Pretty grim. The windows are pretty mouldy. Obviously tiles need a good clean. Shower head's pretty clean, to be fair. Paula?
Yeah?
How are you feeling?
Happy!
Yeah?
Excited!
If you could say 3 things about this house, what would you say?
Wonderful!
Yeah? Yeah? Alright, over and out guys, we'll see you soon.